Hey everyone, today I decided to do a makeup look on this right here. It is just pretty much like a super easy everyday makeup look again, but I did a little bit more eyeshadow than usual and I did some smudged eyeliner. I started off with lip balm and the Glam Glow Glow Starter. It is very luminizing and shiny. And then I'm going in with the Glossier Stretch Concealer, which is just a very light coverage concealer. As you can see, I'm kind of just putting it all over my face with this L'Oreal sponge. And then I go into cream blush. I have been loving cream blush right now. This is the NARS Portofino stick. I'm not sure what the exact name is, but it's just their cream blush stick. And I put it everywhere on my face. I like to look like I'm sunburnt. And now I'm going in with the Benefit What's Up stick highlighter. It's a little bit too dark for me, so it doesn't really show up on me too well. But then I do go in and go over with a powder highlight later on, which really makes it pop. I'm putting it all over the high points of my face. And then because I'm wearing this off the shoulder top, I also put it on the tops of my collarbones and on my shoulders. To set my face and add a little bit more coverage, this is the Glossier Wowder. And I'm putting it all over my face, all over where I get oily, anywhere where I put concealer. And then I'm taking the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer and bronzing up my entire face as well. Bronzing where I put the blush as well to really make it look like I have been sitting in the sun. And then bronzing up slash sort of contouring my collarbone to match my face and neck. This is the NARS Orgasm Blush. It is a perfect topper to the Portofino cream blush I put on. It is also very, not sparkly, but it has a sheen to it. And same with cream products and bronzers. Man, I'm having a dance party. I just put blush all over my face, and then I'm putting the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in Fire Crystal and Lightning something. I take both of them. I dip my brush in both sides, and then I just go over where I put my cream highlight. I just quickly sped through my brows because I don't think it's that important. If anyone would like to see a like in-depth brow routine, I guess let me know and I can film that for you. So now I'm curling my lashes. I do both eyes twice, by the way. And then I'm taking this ColourPop eyeshadow called Double, I honestly don't know what that second word is. Double entendre. Oh my gosh. This is why I'm a math major, because English confuses me. And I decided to not speed this up because I want you guys to see just how much of a process it is to really like blend out eyeshadow, because sometimes when it's like super sped up when you edit, it looks like you just take 5 seconds blending out your eyeshadow, but it really actually takes some time. Now here I am taking a fluffy angled brush, and I'm taking that burgundy sort of maroon red wine shade, and not being too precise, but when am I ever actually precise when it comes to eyeshadow? I'm kind of just lining my upper lash line and then like blending it out, and then I take an even like skinnier, more precise angled brush, and I take the dark brown and kind of do this as like a more of like a precise liner, but still I blend it out so it's not like a harsh precise line. So once I did those kind of like 2 liner bits, I go back with my first initial brush and color and just blend everything out. And with the first 2 colors again, and with a slightly smaller blender brush, I just will smoke out my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking a dark brown chubby eyeliner stick, and I am lining my top waterline. For some reason, my left eye is so difficult for me to line my upper waterline, but you can see my right eye, I just go over twice and then in the inner corner and it's done, whereas my left eye, it's so difficult for me. Then I also just sped up my mascara process because it's just boring, just like eyebrows. But this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, the best mascara ever. I got some on my eyelid, so I just took a dry Q-tip and kind of like dusted it off. I'm taking that Fenty highlighter again and going over my inner corner one last time. And then for lips, I'm taking the NYX lip liner in Natural. So I'm lining my lips fully, but then I will take my finger and kind of like blend it out to where there's not a super harsh, like obvious lip line, and it looks much better like that. I like it better that way. This lip gloss is the Laura Geller Color Luster. It is a very nice goldy, yeah, just a really nice gold with little tiny sparkles and shimmers.
Hi. Oh, are you filming?
I am.
Oh, I just need your help.
Okay.
I'm trying to use this and I just can't unlock it. Help! Rachel. Oh. What to do? Why is it doing this?
You look like a who?
Okay. Okay, anyways, I'll let you go. I'm just struggling.
I don't know, maybe like push it in or try and pull it out, or are you turning it the right way?
I think so. I'm thinking forward. Okay, anyways, I'll let you go. What are you feeling?
This. So to finish off the look, I'm taking this darker lip liner and doing this one line in the middle and then rubbing my lips together. It kind of creates an illusion that my bottom lip especially is a lot more plump. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed. My top is from Forever 21. My earrings are from Shein. My rings are handmade and James Avery. That is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye!